Now, it's time to turn our attention to the stars of the show, the apples. You'll need 6 to 8 Granny Smiths. Peel, core, and slice these apples, then toss them in a large bowl with a tablespoon of lemon juice and water. This keeps them from browning while we prepare the rest of our ingredients. To sweeten things up, add a cup of white sugar to your apples, along with 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, a 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, and a pinch of salt. Toss until every slice is evenly coated in this sweet and spicy mixture. Next, it's time to create the crumble topping. In a separate bowl, combine 1 cup of all-purpose flour and 1/2 cup of cold diced unsalted butter. Using your fingertips or a pastry cutter, blend the butter into the flour until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. With the topping ready, it's assembly time. Transfer the apple mixture to your greased baking dish and spread it out evenly. Then sprinkle the crumble topping over the apples, ensuring they're completely covered. Once assembled, place the dish in your preheated oven and bake for 40 to 45 minutes. You'll know it's done when the topping is a golden brown and the apples are tender. After baking, let your apple crumble cool for a few minutes before serving. Of course, it's best enjoyed warm, perhaps with a scoop of vanilla ice cream or a dollop of whipped cream. And there you have it, the perfect apple crumble, made easy. With these 7 simple steps, you can create a delightful dessert that's sure to impress at any occasion. So roll up your sleeves and get baking, because this apple crumble isn't going to make itself. Happy baking!